Did you know you can find every public account linked to a username with just one command? Let me show you how. First, open your terminal and type Maigret, followed by the username. Then add -a -PDF folder output and the folder path where you want to save the report. Here I will choose my home folder. This tells Maigret to scan all available sites, generate both in PDF report, and save the results to the folder you specify. Maigret is a powerful open-source intelligence tool. It checks hundreds, even thousands of websites for a username and builds a detailed dossier from public pages. It collects profile links, usernames, and sometimes even older public images that are still available online. Now hit Enter. Maigret will start scanning. If a username exists anywhere, Maigret will detect it and gather the details. After a short wait, the reports are ready. Open your file manager and go to the output folder. You'll see a PDF file. Inside it, there are all the accounts Maigret discovered, neatly organized for you. Let's verify one of them. Copy a profile link from the report, paste it into your browser, and check if the account is active. That confirms the result instantly. Remember, Maigret only collects publicly available information. This is not hacking. This is open source intelligence, also called OSINT. No hidden data, no passwords, and nothing confidential is accessed. This demonstration is purely educational. Always use tools like Maigret responsibly and follow your local laws and regulations. If this helped you, share it so others can learn too. Like and subscribe for more ethical hacking tutorials. Join our WhatsApp group to connect with the community. The link is in the description. And follow me on Instagram for daily updates and more awesome tips. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay secure, and respect privacy.
Yeah.